Good morning from Koh Kood, Thailand. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We just ate at the Pink Kangaroo. Wow, very nice iced coffee and a sandwich and a huge pink kangaroo. It was really good, and today we will go to the Bang Bao beach. So make sure to follow, hit the subscribe button and watch the video. We arrived at Bang Bao beach and wow, this is very beautiful. Take a look. Wow, this is amazing. Not that busy at all. Wow, very big beach. Right, we will enjoy the whole day here, I think. It was really beautiful, guys. Come on. We have this perfect spot here, right in the shadow, with a beautiful view. And we met a Dutch family here, and they sold their house and they are just traveling around the world. So very smart move. Nice to meet you. All right, let's go.
Water snake! Oh my god! This is so scary! I don't know if it's poisonous or something. It looks cool. Well, I'm going away! Fleur's already there! No, it's a lizard. It's a lizard. A lizard.
It's time for dinner. I have a pasta carbonara with a lime smoothie. And Fleur got the stir-fried rice with chicken.
Pineapple stir-fried rice.
That. We are back at the same spot. This ice cream is so good. We are back in the hotel room and the beach was really nice. There were not a lot of tourists. It was really chill. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you guys tomorrow.